What's up, everybody? Two most of all guys here. Today we are doing 5-point harnesses through 50 cal. Alright, so we got 50 caliber racing 5-point harnesses. We're gonna go Frankenstein with this, and the family picked out their own color. So there's my daughter's, there's my wife's, there's my sister's, and then there is mine. So what we're going to do is show you how to install these. Mostly, I'm sure you know how to install them, but the 5th point, it's actually pretty easy, but I'm going to show you where to install it on the Honda Talon. So here we go, let's get started. Alright, so here's the bar we're going to attach to for the top part of the harness. So the first thing we're going to do is I've got the sitting in the seat here. You need to take, if you're going to wrap it around the bar, you need to take that bracket out. Undo all this, pull that off, stick it through the seat like that, and then you end up wrapping that strap just around the bar and then redo it like that again. So we'll go ahead and do all that, and I'll come back to you.
Oh,
Dropping
stuff. Always dropping stuff.
There's a hole underneath the bar.
Ta-da. Oh, sorry. This part goes in front, and then everybody knows how to tie a helmet. Basically, same thing. And then now.
There you go. Not going nowhere. Alright, so you're gonna do that again for all your harnesses. Yeah, do that for all your harnesses, and then we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna come back to doing all the bottom parts. So we got them all in. They're not adjusted or nothing, they're just in there. The next step we're going to do, you could probably start with this step instead of doing what we did. We're going to remove all the seat belts, all the buckles and everything. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and start removing all the seat belts. We just got the bolts there, up top, and on the back there's the part where Adam's blocking here. I'm going to remove this. So that is just the bolt that's underneath there. So we're going to go ahead and take all of them out. Front and back seats, take them all out. Okay, so we started removing these. We got that one out. I took that one off. The bottom box that it retracts into, on the back side, it's down in this hole. Well, to get to it, go into the wheel well, remove all the push pins.
I removed all but the one behind the shop.
And then it's sitting right there. That way you can undo it and then pull it down out of the hole. So that's how you get to it. So we'll go ahead and remove both sides. Both sides are the same way. And then we'll get back showing the rest. Okay, so we got everything put in. That one is completely done. The rest aren't completely done. The pink one is done, I believe, except for the 5th point. Purple one, so on. This one is completely done.
This one is completely done. This is the only one that is 100% done.
Yeah. So all I got to do now is put in the 5th point on this side. The seat belt, we pulled the seat belt out. Here's the seat belt. When you pull it out, there's going to be a plug on the end of there, which is right here. Cut it off, leave enough wire that you can butt connect it together. Preferably with heat shrink tube butt connector. And then you take this and you plug it back in. Now you no longer have the seat belt safety switch. Then you don't have to spend the $12 on the one that's online. I'll put a link in the description below for the one that's already made for you if that's what you choose. But otherwise, this is all you need to do. So I'm going to plug that in. That's pretty much it. Yep. The 5th point, you just connect it to that tube, undo that seat real quick. Oh, you're going to have to undo the 5th point. Yeah,
I'm going to have to undo the whole bracket.
So you just rip that apart, pull that out. It's just wrapped around the bar. And just stuck underneath there. So yeah, that's how you attach it. And we got everything done. Oh man, it's kind of hard to see. Need to make a flashlight?
What are we doing?
Oh.
What are you trying to show?
Hold on, we got a flashlight coming here.
Oh, okay.
Got them run through the seat, attached to the back, that first bar, that way whenever people are holding onto the oh shit handle.
You're not holding on to these.
Yeah, so they're in that front bar, they're just tucked behind the plastic that is guarding from pinching hands between the seat. So, yeah, that's that. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. Yeah, I believe that is it.
I believe so.
Well, I guess make sure you
like, comment, and subscribe.
yeah, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.